Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning risk management layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the risk management layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. You have these nice image masks that are used throughout the entire layout pack, along with the high quality images, which you are free to use without any restrictions. And I feel like this layout pack would work well for a lot of websites, and you can customize everything to your own needs. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you will find all of the layout packs, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the risk management layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says view live demo, and this will redirect you to a live website. And over here you can start exploring all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack before you actually install them on your WordPress website. And say for instance you want to use the landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to pages, add new, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And this will redirect you to the visual builder right away. And over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to browse through the layouts by clicking on the purple button. And over here you have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the risk management layout pack. Then click on the layout that you want to upload and click on the green button which says use this layout. Then it will ask you for an authentication, and if you've already filled that out, it will start uploading to your page. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and then you can get started. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that's included using the modules and the content boxes, or you can play around with the look and feel of the layout as well using Divi's efficiency features, which will help you make a lot of changes throughout the layout with just a few clicks. So let me just demonstrate that really quick. So go ahead and open this text module over here, go to the design tab, go to the heading text settings, and over here you can see the font that's being used. And if you want to change that throughout the entire layout, you can simply just right click and click on find and replace. And over here you have the font that's being used, and you can replace it throughout the entire page with another font of your choice. And I'm just going to pick another one. And I'm also going to tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font. And this will make sure that all of the fonts, heading fonts, are being covered. So then I'll just click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for any kind of design option that you have and get your website up and running in no time at all. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.